Good afternoon, folks. William Caleb Rogers back at you with another video, and today we're just going to discuss some training on affiliate marketing, which is a particular sub-niche of actual internet marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically when you're selling products that another company or companies have already made, and they give you a special link, and for any sales that you get, they simply cut you a commission of the check. Sometimes the commission can be 30%, it can be 50%, in some instances even 100% commissions. Yes, there are affiliate marketing programs that do offer 100% commissions. Some will pay in 30 days, some will pay in 2 weeks, and there are some that will pay instantly at the point of sale. Now, there was an interesting question that I got on a popular site called Quora. If you're not familiar with Quora, it's a question and answering website. It's basically a database filled with miscellaneous questions from all walks of life from people who are just looking for answers. And I've created a profile on that particular site where I do answer questions in the internet marketing and affiliate marketing space. So let's go ahead and take a look at the question here. Now, this is my Quora profile page, and you can reach it by going to q.wcrpro.info. That's q.wcrpro.info. And the latest question I got was, why is affiliate marketing so difficult and frustrating for beginners? For those of you who are even so much remotely interested in affiliate marketing, you might have seen a few ads or commercials that actually tout it as being easy, and then you'll notice some people who get into it, they have different experiences in their beginnings. But just like anything else, it's a simple learning process. But I've already went ahead and answered this question, and here is my response. Let's go ahead and click there. So, why is affiliate marketing so difficult and frustrating for beginners specifically? Well, because most people are not geared for selling stuff. They're just not geared for selling stuff. They're used to having a job that has everything provided for them and a guaranteed paycheck. While as for affiliate marketing, it requires you to sell some stuff in order to get a paycheck. And you have to develop certain skills, such as skills that require you to take a shift in your thinking to become a seller of things. Not everybody is just born natural sellers, I'm sure. And I know a lot of you probably just even hate the idea of having to sell someone on something. See, many beginners do not have the funds to buy the right type of traffic. And they don't even know what the right type of traffic is. So, if you're trying to be a seller of things and you don't even know where to find the people that you're trying to sell that specific thing to, that's going to cause a lot of frustration and be a big stalling point for you. Now, so instead, they'll spend many months or even years trying to get free organic traffic, which is not reliable because you're competing against thousands of other websites who are trying to get to the first page of the major search engines, which is quite difficult. And even if you do manage to get there, there's no guarantee that you're going to maintain those high first page rankings, because the search engine websites are always changing their algorithms, their ranking calculating system and measurement of how they rank a website. It's always fluctuating and changing, so you're always playing a catch-up game if you go that method. Now, unless you're just already naturally good at attracting people on social media, and I know some of you are, the only other way that you're going to get results, and fast results, is to buy the right type of website traffic. That's it. You're going to have to buy some website traffic. Now you may say, well, I gotta buy traffic. Come on, it's supposed to be easy. It's an online business, and it is easier compared to some offline businesses. Think about all the things you're gonna have to go through for a brick and mortar business. Finding the physical place, having the insurance, the leasing, all of this, the utilities for it, all the proper licensing, all of this. Those things are not needed in an online business, especially affiliate marketing. Heck, with affiliate marketing, you don't even need your own product. You're promoting other people's products, products that were made by other companies. Remember? That's affiliate marketing. But where are you going to get the right type of website traffic? How do you know? Well, I do have a Learn More button that you see here that'll take people to some training that'll show you where website traffic is that you can buy. It'll show you the right type of places. And if you just click on it, you can go there. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and take you to the resource right now. If you head on over to easymoneysite.biz, you'll see at the top here, there's some buttons here, and you'll see one of them says, Get Traffic Here. So go ahead and click on that, and you'll see what we'll have on that page. And here we are. It'll teach you how to get traffic to your website from other websites with free traffic. Also, top website traffic sources to get free traffic and leads fast. Website traffic generation strategies that get profitable results. But if you want to skip the learning process, because as you can see, if we just scroll a little, you'll see various videos that are going to go in depth. And these are videos that I've curated from other experts, including myself, as you can see here. But if you want to skip the learning process and just order you some traffic, let's go here. And you'll see there are these green buttons down here. There's 18 targeted website traffic sources right there. You can click that button and you'll see what they are and how to use them. There's even social media influencer traffic blasts. What that is there are many social media experts who have large accounts into the tens of thousands, the hundreds of thousands, some even in the millions. And what they'll do for a small fee is they will take your advertising message and literally post it to all their followers. Do you understand that? I'm talking about social media influencers who have hundreds of thousands of followers, and what they'll do is take your message with your website link that you want to advertise, and whether it be an affiliate product or your own, and they will post that to all of their followers for a fee. And you can see the different social media influencers and their pricings on that if you click on that button. There's also specific specialized website traffic for your business opportunity. There's solo ad traffic. I got viral marketing traffic, campaigns, even a way to get traffic from articles. Okay, now let's look on this 18 targeted website traffic. Following 18 traffic resources can be used for practically any niche. And what you have to do here, in order to play the video, you click on the image first, and then you press the play symbol. That's how the tech works on this particular page. And you'll see there's many various videos once you're at this page that are literally going to show you how to use these different websites, how you get traffic from them. These are different places, and they work for any niche, regardless of what you're selling, what affiliate marketing product that you're selling, as you can see. And you can even click here for more paid traffic sources. And what these videos basically do is tell you which websites to go and buy the traffic from. That's it. Basic advertising online. Now, to some of you who may think, well, I don't know, that just sounds a little too simple. Think about in the offline world. What does a business have to do to get people to come into their particular business, whether it be a restaurant, a car wash, a barber shop, whatever the business may be? What do they have to do? They have to advertise. Most of the time, that involves putting an ad in a newspaper or a magazine or some type of radio spot or a simple television commercial or even a billboard sign. I'm sure you see that everywhere. These are advertising mechanisms. Well, in the online world, these are the advertising mechanisms. And I have many for you. In fact, this whole page at easymoneysite.biz is filled with advertising resources, different ways. I just wanted to show you the fastest way to get results. Let me just talk to you for a second. It doesn't matter how great the affiliate product you're promoting may be, how well it may pay you. It doesn't matter at all if nobody sees it. Do you understand what I'm saying? You could have the greatest product in the world, but if nobody sees it, what difference will it make in the lives of everyday people? And what difference will it make in the lives of your financial pockets? You see what I'm saying? You gotta get people to it. And like I said, yeah, there are lots of free methods and free ways, lots. But I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna take you some time putting out content that's gonna reach the right people. Constantly producing videos, constantly writing articles, constantly writing different advertisements, constantly posting on social media and forums. This takes quite a time, months, even years, before you can build up and attract a following, when all you had to do was save a few dollars and buy the right type of website traffic for your offer. You have results that same day. And by results, I mean you could see how many people clicked on your affiliate offer versus how many people just visited but didn't click versus how many people that actually bought and purchased. And you'll be able to see which traffic source that you paid on is producing the best results. And as soon as you find one that's producing excellent results, what do? You just pour more money into it. And you make more and more and more and more net profits. But you gotta advertise. You got to advertise. Stop spinning your wheels. I've been there. Did that. Do you know how much I hate hitting people up in the DMs, searching people on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and hitting them up on the DM? I did all of that. It's very time consuming, and it can drain some serious energy out of you because you got to maintain a high vibrational state when you're doing this, right? And then all of a sudden, you get into this mode where you feel like you're just pitching people all the time. Come on. Who wants to be pitched all day long, and who wants to do the pitching all day long? You got to buy advertising. Once again, if you want to see some of the other answers, some of the other questions that I've answered, many in affiliate marketing and other areas of internet marketing, just go to q.wcrpro.info. This is William Caleb Rogers once again saying peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.